So these things are not possible at the present moment in the Kali Yuga. But little tapasya required. Without tapasya, you cannot be purified. That little tapasya we have prescribed, that rise early in the morning at 3:30, but they are so downtrodden, they cannot do it. Let me sleep 5 minutes more, I will enjoy. Such downtrodden. They were performing austerities, standing in the water in winter season, and we are recommending, please rise early in the morning at 3:30, be prepared for Mangalaratri. It is very difficult. Just see how much we are fallen. We cannot sacrifice, say, 15 minutes or half an hour sleep. We consider sleeping is very good enjoyment. I have seen in the Western countries, they want to sleep so much. That is enjoyment. Up to 12 o'clock in daytime. There are many Indians also. They sleep up to 12 o'clock, then they prepare for going to the office. Big man, he goes to the office at 4 o'clock. When the office is going to be closed, that is their enjoyment. I have slept so much, that is my life. I have eaten so much, that is my enjoyment. I have enjoyed sex life so much, that is enjoyment. He does not, the rascal does not know that he is becoming implicated for the next birth. If you are too much sleeping, then you become owl. You know. The whole day they can sleep, the owl. If you want to be naked, all right, you become a tree, stand 5,000 years naked. If you want sex, all right, become a hog or a monkey. Nature is prepared to give you facilities. So, purification means to stop this low-grade life. Low-grade life is there, otherwise where from they are coming? These cats and dogs and other lower animals, where from they are coming? Karmana daivanatrina jantur deha upapatti. We are creating the facility for the next body, karmana, therefore it has to be purified. That is called tapo. Tapo dibbang putrakajina suddhe. This is, my dear boy, Rishabdev instructed his children, hundreds, my dear boy, just prepare yourself for tapasya. That is the whole Vedic civilization, tapasya. Tapo dibbam, tapasya for realizing God. This is the only business of the human life, not any other business. Any other business will not help you.